Ruby from Ruby's Bedtime Stories. How are you? I hope you've had a good day. Today I'm going to read No Books for Benjamin, written by R.G.D. Rouen and illustrated by Uliana Barabash. This book has been sent to me from California, which is one of the states in the USA. Are you ready? Let's get reading. Benjamin was no ordinary worm. He loved books. With the help of his friends, Benjamin happily lived and worked in his favourite library where new books arrived every day. Books took Benjamin to faraway places. Oh, he's in space in this one. In this one, I think he's on a little safari adventure. And this one, he's underwater, chilling with the fish. And when Benjamin discovered a must-read, he had to share it with kids from all over the world. He loved to hear their recommendations too. Until one day. What do you think's going to happen? Oh, the book stopped coming. That's odd, thought Benjamin as he stared at his empty desk. I must investigate. What's happened? Where are the books gone? As Benjamin wiggled his way to the main hall of the library, a big sign caught his eye. This facility will remain closed due to the purple dots. Purple dots? What's that? The purple dots make people sick, a man explained. Saddened by this news, Benjamin went to see his friends. All libraries closed. But how will kids borrow books? Benjamin asked Miss Nicholas, the librarian. There must be something we can do. Books will need to be selected, then sanitised and finally distributed, Miss Nicholas shared. Yes, that would take an army of helpers, and helpers are hard to find now with the sickness. What do you think they're going to do? We could deliver the books by ground, Ginger suggested. We ants are strong and used to carrying heavy weights. Besides, there are zillions of us in the world. And I could get my fellow dragonflies and take to the skies, Wisby offered. After all, we are super speedy flyers. But how can I help? I'm not very strong or fast, said Dotty, the ladybug. The very next day, the friends were determined and ready to put their plan into action. Dotty got the job of spray dispenser. She eagerly bounced up and down on the nozzle, at times a little too hard. Soon, Ginger's ants were on the move. They marched perfectly in step until Ginger called out, Halt! One ant was too busy reading to notice. Meanwhile, Wisby launched into the sky with his group of dragonflies. Let them loose, he commanded. After a few tiny hiccups, Operation Book Send was well underway. Outside the library, Benjamin stacked books ready for pickup. But as the families came closer, one mother shouted, "Look! He's all purple! He must be very sick!" "But, Mommy, that's Benjamin! He's always purple!" her son protested. A sigh of relief went through the crowd. The waiting line now eagerly received their books from Benjamin. With every book delivered, fun adventures found their way to kids once more. And Benjamin, too. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the book. And a big thank you to R. G.D. Rouen for sending me this lovely book. Thank you. Bye.